Here we have, guys, a typical repair that we come across on jackets. On the sleeve jacket edge on the elbow, what happens is some people wear these maybe at work, in the office, at the desk, and then the elbows tend to wear out, so you end up getting small holes near the seam of the jacket. So obviously you could get this completely invisible repaired using a reweaving repair, but obviously that is very expensive, well over £100 for this type of hole. So what we do is this cost-effective repair. We can strip down the sleeve from the top, on the top seam, strip it right down to the bottom of the cuff, and then we can pass over the seam, take it in around about ½ inch, so you don't leave too much of the width of the sleeve, and then that'll do away with the hole, and then that will be an invisible repair. It's a lot more cost effective than doing the reweaving repair, and it's a nice strong repair, fully reinforced and fine. I'll put up an after video showing you the after results in a separate video, but there you have it. So best thing to do, if you've got a tailor near to yourself, or if you want to use us if you're in England, is we can strip it down from the very top of the shoulder, all the seam, take it apart, and then we can pass the under part over to there, nice and gradual from top to bottom, and then that repairs the sleeve completely invisible. As you can see there, it's wearing just about there on the elbow. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want any suit repairs doing, our website is www.thesuitdoctor.co.uk, and our main website for the tailoring is www.tailorsinmanchester.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and I'll post up the after video. Thank you.